So much to meet you.
The reason why we almost got into a car crash because of her. We were in the car on our way to my mom's house. Oh my gosh! I just dropped the camera. And then she threw something. My dad wasn't looking. So then we almost got into a car crash. Yeah. That's what I told Mama. She didn't really know. That's the reason why. So it's like the same truck. This month my dad got into a little bit of a car crash. Okay. Then he's got his arm with a really bad. He's got stitches in his head, but still okay. He's fine. And then a few weeks later, we came home from school. He came with another cast on his hand. Now he has 2 casts on his hand. That hand. He has 2 casts on because his hands hurt. And this is the reason why we got into a little bit of a car crash. That is the reason why we got into a car crash. Because of the monster who threw something like pens. They were magnetic. Threw them. Guess what happened? We almost got kaboom! We almost exploded. And now we're gonna go buy my dad's a new car. Because the old car doesn't work. Here. I'll show you guys when we get outside. We're on our way outside. I just need my shoes. Excuse me. Okay.
I don't like when somebody's not ready and then you guys already go out there and making noise, screaming, crying here and there. I hate that. I don't want you guys to come here and do like that, like saying that you guys do that. Okay?
We're on the way outside. Alright, show you the car. Getting close. There. Wait. I'm missing everybody. This is the thing she threw. And this is our car. And here's our other car. And I'm gonna give my little brother his Spider-Man. Spider-Man? No. This is a thing. A light.